Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So today I am going to finally be doing an updated flat twist out. My hair has already been shampooed and conditioned. And I'm also going to be using some new products, which you guys can see right here. And these products are from Yaya Creations Chebe Line. So the main ingredient in these products is Chebe powder, and that is pretty much just a mixture of herbs that are used to really strengthen your hair. They can help with length retention and also reducing breakage of the hair. So I'm super excited to try these products. The owner did reach out to me, and when I saw the packaging and stuff, I was like, I gotta try this. The owner, her name is Yaya. She actually does have her own YouTube where she does DIY like hair and skincare. So I will have all her information down in the description box. But yeah, the products that she has in her collection that she sent to me is this Chebe Cream. Ooh, almost dropped it. So this is the Chebe Cream. And then she also has a Chebe Butter. And last but not least, a Chebe infused oil. So this line is woman-owned, Black-owned. It is a smaller-owned business, but this is considered a luxury brand. So, yeah, the ingredients are top shelf. They are natural and just all those good ingredients you want for nice, soft hair. And this collection is actually really good for like protective styling. But it also, of course, can be used for, styling your hair regularly, like doing a twist out or a braid out, etc. So, yeah. The Chebe Cream is different from the Chebe Butter. The Chebe Cream is water-based, so this is more of a moisturizer. And then the Chebe Butter is oil-based, so this is going to seal in your moisture. So these two definitely will work perfect together. So you would moisturize with this and then use this to seal in your moisture. And then, of course, they do have the Chebe infused oil. So I am just going to stop talking now and begin flat twisting and moisturizing my hair. And as I do it, I will just give you guys a little bit more information on these products and how they make my hair feel. And you guys will also get to see it and all that. And yeah, hopefully I get a really good flat twist out because like I said, I want this to last throughout the week. So just stay tuned. So like I said, my hair has already been washed and conditioned, and before I actually begin moisturizing and flat twisting my hair, I did start with the Chebe infused oil and I applied that to my scalp and to my hair. Now I did say that you can use this to seal in your moisture and also for a hot oil treatment, but with the ingredients it has, I do feel like it definitely could be really good for your scalp as well. It is made with jojoba oil, castor oil, hemp seed oil, avocado oil, some really good oils inside of it, as well as the Chebe powder. So I just applied that to my scalp, oiled it, rubbed it in really good, and then I applied a little bit to my hair as well. So of course my usual first step was to spray my hair or spray my section of hair with water. I love to work on wet hair or at least damp hair. I just feel like my hair penetrates my products way better. So after that, I just detangled with my tangle teaser, of course, get rid of those tangles so that I can evenly and easily distribute my product. And then I started with the Chebe Cream. So all of the products are handmade, fresh to order. They are inside of these environmental friendly frosted glass containers so you can reuse, recycle. And this cream It was just so light and fluffy. You could tell it was whipped up to perfection. So putting it on to my hair, it definitely just felt so softening. Even though it was a lighter weight consistency, the moisture was definitely there. I did really enjoy the scents of the products. They're not like overbearing or too fragrancy. They have a nice light scent. So some of the ingredients in this cream are water, of course, aloe vera gel. It's made with olive oil, castor oil, vitamin E, lemongrass oil, some really good ingredients. And I could just tell because my hair was loving this stuff. It had great slip. My hair did have a nice shine, and then all in all, my hair or my curls just really loved this. I could tell by how they were looking. So next I did go on to the Chebe Butter. Now the Chebe butter is infused with some really good oils, but it's also made with 4 butters, which include cocoa butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, and I hope I'm saying this right, Elipe butter. And as you can see, it's literally just melting into my fingers. So I applied just a little bit of this, not too much. I didn't want my hair to feel weighed down. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I typically stay away from butters and oils because most of the time they just sit on top of my hair and my hair doesn't really penetrate it. So I wanted to just start off with a little bit and see how my hair reacted to it, since the cream and butter like literally are the perfect pair. And you can see my hair just has some nice shine. My hair definitely felt super soft and moisturized. So I'm just going to detangle this section and then flat twist. So again, I just started with the Chebe Cream to moisturize and hydrate my hair, and then I went to the Chebe Butter, and that is going to just seal in all of my moisture, and then I flat twisted. And how I flat twist is just by starting with a row of hair. I'll split it into 2 and then I'll put one piece over the other. So then you just add a row of hair, add it to the hair that's pinched between your fingers, and then twist over, and then you repeat. Add another row of hair, add it to the hair that's pinched between your fingers, and twist over. And yeah, you do the exact same thing over and over. It's really easy once you get the hang of it, y'all. It took me a minute, but once I got it, like, you got it. Now, just a tip, when you do get to the top of your hair and you're flat twisting, I personally like to twist away from my face so that when I take down my flat twist, my hair isn't falling into my face, it's falling away from it. I don't know, I just feel like it just looks way better when you do it that way. So that's just a tip that I like to do. So I had 11 juicy twists in my head, and yeah, my hair just looks super shiny. My twists are plump and moisturized, so I just decided to air dry overnight, and then the next day I did add a little bit of oil to my hands to help reduce any frizz. But honestly, my hair was so moisturized I didn't even need any extra oil. So the flat twist takedown is so easy, y'all. And your hair is already pretty much separated, so you don't have to do much work. So just separate or untwist your twist, and once you get to the flat twist, you can literally see where to separate your hair at. Like, that is what I love about flat twists. And then you just repeat. You uncross the twist, you separate, and then repeat. So this is what my hair is looking like just after separating those twists. Like, my hair is pretty much separated. I could just leave it like this, but you can see in the back that I don't know, it could use a little bit more separation. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through my hair, find like bigger chunks and separate those pieces, and then I did go in with my wide tooth comb to give me a little bit of volume, and then you guys will see the final results. So these are the final results, you guys, and I loved my hair. I posted some photos on Instagram, and y'all could even tell that my hair just had a ton of shine and moisture, because it did. So I think I might start using some butters and oils a little bit more. Like, I might experiment and get back to using them. So I definitely love these Yaya Creations Chebe products. So if you are interested, I will leave all of her information in the description box, where you can get them, where you can follow her on Instagram, all that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.